my mini house Christmas decorations.
Sing glory to the newborn King, peace on earth and mercy, my God, and sinners reconciled. Joyful all it nations rise, joy the triumph of the skies, with the angelic host proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark, the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Christ by highest heaven adored, Christ the everlasting Lord. Late in time behold him come, offspring of a virgin's womb. Veiled in flesh the Godhead see, hide incarnate deity, please as man with man to dwell. Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark, the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Glory to the newborn King.
Hey guys, it's Klariz. Welcome back to another vlog. For today's vlog guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung aking Christmas decorations dito sa aking mini house. So let's go! Pagpasok nyo guys, makikita nyo to sa aking cabinet. And guys, super cute. I love it. Pagdating nyo naman dito, this is my decorations. Actually guys, si Tito Lovie nag-ayos na ito. Thank you so much, Tito Lovie. You can see. So pretty guys. By the way, yung motif pala is white red. Kasi gusto ko white reds. Excited din ako ipakita sa inyo aking new sofa. So, eto sila guys. It's so cute. Like, pina-customize namin to guys. Yan. Actually, white pa rin kasi gusto ko white guys. And sobrang linis kasi ng white. And so pretty. New. Fresh. This is my Christmas tree. White red yung mga bowls. Christmas bowls. My mini bar here. Ayan, ang cute din nito. I love it. Actually guys, yung mini house, ginawa ko siyang mini gym. So, ayan, naka-fold lang sila guys. Para malinis. Dito naman tayo sa kitchen. May mga chocolates tayo guys. May mga chocolates, cookies, may mga chips tayo dito. And then, of course, my ref. Meron tayong cheesecake factory. Oh, guys, look at that. Tapos meron din tayong Ferrero na ice cream. Ito naman yung aking loft. Very simple lang guys. Dinner lang kami with the fam after that. And then papakita ko sa inyo guys yung outside. So, with the fam, ayun si Labi. Ay, cute-cute ng outfit niya, guys. So, wow! Mamaya, oh. Tumayo pa siya, guys. Tita Pei.
Patawas ko pa mo.
Hi. Si Daddy, Dad. Ayun. Hi, Shikaina. Tita Joanne. Hello. La. Hi. Lo.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, thank you so much. Ayan. Ay, wow. Thank you. So, sila yung nag-guide niya, guys. Ayan si Sis. Hi, Elmar. Ano? Laksa. Here's my mini house.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
And your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Ito yung sa loob. Ayan. Nice. Grabe guys, diba? So nice. And then, pag yung makikita yung silabi ko. Ay! Ay! Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan si aking Sisi. Advance Merry Christmas. September pa lang guys. Bas, malapit na yun guys.
Ay, nakikipag-Christmas ka.
Butterfly guys.
Christmas siya.
And that's my mini house Christmas decorations. Special thanks to my Tita Love and Tita Faye, kay Daddy, kay Kuya Arnold at Kuya Ricky. So, and also to my Sisi, kasi guys, siya yung nag-video. So much. Magsalita ka naman. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. If you do, make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to be part of our family, Klariz, and click the bell button beside so notified whenever time I post new video. OMG guys, na-miss ko yun sabihin. Anyway, so yeah, bye guys. See you on my next vlog. Guys, let's go. We wish you a Merry Christmas.